everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today I want to share an item I found. It is from Lululemon. It's called Everyday Belt Bag. So I've been looking for something small, inexpensive, nice material, wipeable, water repellent, rainproof, whatever, for everyday use. I do walk my dogs, my fur babies, every day, a couple times a day. I need something easy to use, just grab and go. Something can be clean because you know their muddy paws will jump on me. So this is the item I found. I like it black. It has a really nice zipper, a nice buckle, and the strap. Look at the strap. It's very nice. It's very soft, like a seatbelt material, but softer, like really hard, very thick. And the best thing is, it's only $38. I think it's a really good price considering things at Lululemon are quite expensive. Another reason why I wanted this is when I walk my dogs, sometimes my key pouch will fall out of my pocket, my phone, and I don't want to lose them. So this is the item, and it's quite roomy. Let's see inside. It comes this big zipper hole. The zipper itself is pretty chunky. Inside is like this, very simple. It has mesh pocket in the back, 2 mesh pockets in the front, and very important, just like a security pocket in the back, like you can barely see it. Here's a little pull tab. Look. So I'm gonna try use this, and maybe I'll give you my feedback like a week or two. See how I like it. I'm gonna cut the tag after this. I'll start using it tomorrow. So let's see what fits. So when I might walk my dog, I definitely need my keys and poopy bags, just in case. I'll probably like bring 2. Okay. Probably, maybe I'll bring some cash. I mean, I can put some cash in the bag or like bring like a card holder. So let's say I use this. I'm gonna put it in the back, in the mesh back pocket. Okay. And some treats for dogs. And definitely my phone. There's an iPhone. Okay. So poop bags, treats, key pouch, phone, and a card holder for cash or cards. So it is up nicely. There's some weight to it. Nothing too bulky or bulgy. I think I can do with that. And I still have some room left. So this is about what I want to bring when I walk my dog. Maybe not this. I don't really bring money. So let's see what I can do on like a quick errand grocery store shop. Definitely don't need the poopy bags. I will need my key, card holder for cash cards, or maybe use my Bastia coin pouch. Turn the back here. In the back, maybe I can put my phone or something. Let's put my phone. And it fits. Okay. And hand sanitizer. This is the large hand sanitizer, 2 fluid ounces. Let's see. I don't think I can fit it standing up. Maybe it's too bulky in here. Let's see. I think it'll stick up, so I think I have to put it sideways. Sideways. Okay, I don't like the shape. Maybe I need a a smaller hand sanitizer, or don't bring too many cases. So forget that one. Definitely need my keys. I guess try without the hand sanitizer, use a smaller one. Maybe some female products, you never know. It's okay to show this. Tampons, if you use tampons. Okay. Maybe a tissues. Oh, definitely need a lip balm. So here's how it looks. Okay, that's good. I like this. Okay, let's see. You don't need this for that day. Lip balm. Okay. Maybe you put your phone in your pocket. You don't want it here. Just kind of in the way. And see if it's an umbrella. This is like a very small, compact umbrella. And see if it fits. Yeah, it does. Maybe like for a light jog, you use the umbrella. Hand sanitizer, tissue, lip balm. Stack it on top. Okay, looks fine. I can do that. Yep. And let's say you go walk your dog for a long hike and you want to bring a bottle of water for them. Here's I have a bottle of water, that's standard size, 16.9 fluid ounces. Okay. I think it does fit. Okay. I'm gonna try this and see how it looks. Oh, okay, it fits. Nice. And I definitely need my spare doggy poop bags. Keys? Probably not. Yeah, so maybe I need to take off my keys. Yeah, I don't think I'll like this. Okay. Alright. So my first impression, they can be handy. Gotta play around with what can fit in there. And maybe carry some smaller items. But I think for everyday dog walking use, what I need is poopy bags, my phone, keys, maybe treats. It's just what I really need, and it definitely fits. So I'm gonna try playing with it, using it, and if anybody's interested, I'll come back with a review. Yep, definitely love the strap, the buckle. It's very nice.